Professor Dr. Vivek Gupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital. Today, traveling from Luxembourg to Paris through Metz. We have some friends from France and Madame Manon. And we were just discussing about, what's your name?
Melissa.
Melissa. Okay, so we were, and Dr. Amit, our friend. We were just discussing the difference, the culture between the two countries, India and France. I used to work in France in 96, 97, 98 along with Professor Aaron Cribier. Of course, at that time and today, after 25 years, the things have changed. But I feel that the culture difference is not much. I was just talking to them because heart disease is also related to the stress. The amount of stress in India is much higher as compared to the stress. As I was thinking that she goes in the evening to have friends to the pub and they enjoy life and they're mostly happy. In India, you see the young people are under stress because they have a competition, they have to grow and they want to become big and big. In India, here the satisfaction level is much more. People are more satisfied and they have not big ambition. Everybody does not want to become Trump or Macron. And in India, young people, they want to really strive very hard and they want to achieve a huge success. The coronary artery disease, which is a heart attack and angina, is getting much more common in young patients, including your age and this age. I have operated many patients who are only 30, 35, 40, heart attack, 25. Batchmate of my son, he had a heart attack at the age of 24. So this is getting common, and I was trying to understand that I don't think in your country we have such a lower age heart problems.
Heart disease, yeah.
But after COVID, of course, all over the world it has been affected. So the message today is that be happy, remain happy, keep happy, and therefore that's the only way to reduce the stress. Keep working hard in the morning and the evening, enjoy life. What do you say?
Yes,
please
I agree with you. Totally agree with you.
So you have a life, a stressful day, but in the evening you try to enjoy.
I try to relax and to forget the stress of the work environment.
What you tell you?
Yeah, it's the same. I try to go out and have fun and yes.
Enjoy with friends.
Enjoy with the friends.
Yes, exactly.
Despite not living with the family, I mean, most of the young people, they are living alone or with their friends. But in India, most of the children at the age till marriage, they live with the parents mostly. And it's a good thing because parents get a lot of support. But despite that, the stress level has to come down. We have to follow a small part of that culture to remain happy in the evening. Enjoy life, relax, and thank you very much, Dr. Vivek Gupta, with the friends Manon and other people on 23rd May 2025 from Luxembourg. Thank you.
Thank you.